all things Yule, all things that fascinate me at this time of the year. So many different types of celebrations go on, from the Christian belief system to all, and even amongst the pagans and the heathens. This is a time of year when we are in the midst of darkness, in the midst of the cold. And so it's a time that we bring light into our homes, we bring evergreens into our homes. I want to talk about it. I want to share what I know about what I practice, and I'd love to know what you guys like to do at this time of the year as well. All the preparations before and all the stuff that goes on after the 21st, when we see the start of the great sun coming back. A marvellous time. The lights time of the year is starting to come back again. And I know in like Wiccan groups it will be celebration of the king, the sun god coming back, celebrating, feasting and all sorts. Well, this Saturday the 9th at 6:30 p.m. GMT, I'm having a guest joining me on my live. Her name is Cara and her channel is Pagan Crafting. She's coming along to be on my show, and I am so appreciative of this, guys. My very first guest. So if you want to come along and watch, I will be so happy to see you there to help cheer her on, and let's find out all about her and what she practices at this time of the year. So come with me and Summer and Cara Saturday. Hope to see you all there. Bye for now.